Python match a string with regex. I need a Python regular expression to check if a word is present in a string. The string is separated by commas, potentially. So for example, I want to search based on sample, this would return true. I am crappy with regex, so when I looked at the Python docs, I saw something like, but I don't know why there was an "a" before the text to be matched. Can someone help me with the regular expression?
Are you sure you need a regex? It seems that you only need to know if a word is present in a string, so you can do. The "or" makes the string a raw string, which doesn't process escape characters. However, since there are none in the string, it is actually not needed here. Also, re.match matches from the beginning of the string. In other words, it looks for an exact match between the string and the pattern. To match stuff that could be anywhere in the string, use re.search. See a demonstration below.
A stands for a raw string, so things like will be automatically escaped by Python. Normally, if you wanted your pattern to include something like a backslash, you'd need to escape it with another backslash. Raw strings eliminate this problem. Short explanation. In your case, it does not matter much, but it's a good habit to get into early, otherwise something like backslash "b" will bite you in the behind if you are not careful, will be interpreted as backspace character instead of word boundary. As per re.match versus re.search, here's an example that will clarify it for you. So search will find a match anywhere, match will only start at the beginning.
You do not need regular expressions to check if a substring exists in a string. If you want to know if a string contains a pattern, then you should use re.search. This is best used with pattern matching, for example.